My name is Jamie and I work in the finance department, and I also assist with engineering and permitting for projects. My day-to-day consists of collecting payments from customers, processing invoicing, submitting invoices to customers, and doing engineering and permitting for projects. So I work with the engineers and I submit the projects to the cities to be processed to get permitted. Employees, I also assist with their time cards. So I send out time cards and I make sure the hours are all correct as well. I help the customers with major problems. So if they have any questions with their invoices or any questions in regards to their balance, I assist them with figuring out where their balance is at and what payments are due. And I also help them with major problems as far as like their engineering and their permitting. Sometimes permitting can be like a long process, so you have to keep in touch with the customers and let them know what's going on, and then you have to be consistent with the cities to make sure that everything's getting pushed through. The most fulfilling part of my position, I like helping customers with their projects. I like seeing them, happy and satisfied with the work that's completed and, willing to pay that final payment. A lot of times I hear the customers saying, how good the foreman did and how well their job went, so I enjoy hearing that. It makes my job a little bit easier, especially when trying to collect that final payment. And then another fulfilling part of my position, which would include the permitting and engineering part, is it's really fulfilling when you get that permit approved by the city, because you have to do so much work just to get that permit approved. So it's really fulfilling once you get that final email or that final call saying that the permit has been approved and you can finally start your project. I'm married. I've been married for 3 years. I have a son. He's 14, he's almost 15, he's gonna be in sophomore. And I have a lot of sisters. I have 3 sisters and a lot of nephews. And then my husband, he also has 3 siblings as well. So we have a really large family between the 2 of us, and we enjoy just going over to see both of our families and spending time with them. For fun, I like to go on hikes usually, or sometimes I like to bake. It's fun to make new recipes and try new recipes. I also enjoy reading and sometimes going to the beach. But yeah, those are the things. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any issues, you can give us a call at Dalinghaus Construction.